this is Razy, and for today, tatry ko lang mag-podcast, and we have a very special guest, Bea Boras!
Hi everyone! Hi Razy! Thank you so much for having me.
No, thank you so much for coming here, Queen.
Of course,
It's
ikaw pa! Love na love kita, alam
Thank
mo
you,
yan.
Queen. This podcast is mainly about mga babaeng nagtiis for love. Mga mommies na nagstay at nagtiis para complete
Queen,
yung
parang hindi ako
family.
dapat yung guest mo dyan.
For those who don't know about my life, I took aeronautical engineering for
And
2
di ba,
years.
cum laude ka? Or
No.
You grad,
So, I only took 2 years aeronautical engineering, pero na-stop siya since, yun nga, nag-party-party tayo, and then,
oh my
nabuntis
gosh,
na
our
ako.
party era phase. Anyway,
Ang
go
lala.
on.
So, yun, during pregnancy, na-stop siya. So, ngayon, babalik tayo sa school even though mother na tayo. Kasi, we're not just gonna build our own lives na eh. We're gonna build
Yeah.
something for our daughter.
Yes.
Yung baby natin.
Yeah, and even though we got pregnant early, gusto namin ipakita sa anak namin na magtatapos kami.
Ng pag-aaral.
Kahit na nabuntis kami ng maaga.
Go get that degree, girl.
Yeah, we're only gonna chase degrees.
Yes,
not
not men.
not men.
If a bird can sit on a tree branch, hindi siya takot na maputol yung branch na yon. Kasi confident siya sa wings niya. So whether mag-break yung branch na yon,
it won't
it
matter.
won't matter kasi she have her own wings to fly.
You know what? I feel like ito yung mga kailangan ng babae. I feel like they need female friendship, not a boyfriend, not a husband. Kasi anytime yung mga lalaki, pwede talaga sila umalis. Pero ang friendship kasi, they witnessed you at your lowest. They're also with you at your highest.
Lagi kasi namin pinopost ni Bea yung mga gimmicks namin, yung parties namin, and then nagalit yung family namin to the point na yung tito ko.
Alam mo, ayaw sa'yo ng tito ko.
Yung tito ko
Pero
din.
ngayon, love na love ka niya.
Si Tito Rodel. So,
Oh.
Tito, hello, shout
Hi, Tito.
out.
Hi, Kuya Jones.
Sinabihan niya ako na tanggalin mo yung sibal sa last name mo kasi binibigyan mo ng kahihiyan yung family natin.
Talaga?
Ginanon niya ako. Tapos kasi
As in, nung sobrang laki
party
tayo
talaga.
magkasama tayo
Oo,
before.
tapos sabi niya pa, kasi nakita mo yung viral video natin sa Facebook na yung
Oo,
umiiyak
umiiyak.
na, yung ganun pe. Tapos lasing na. Galit na galit. yung
Thursday
tito
night
ko.
yun, guys. Never ko makakalimutan. Saan kayo makakakita ng Thursday night
On a
lasing?
Thursday night.
Gets ko pa kung Friday or Saturday.
On a
Pero Thursday night namin yun ginawa, guys.
Saan nga ulit yun? Sa pop?
Yeah, pop-up sa
Pop-up,
Katip.
okay.
Katip girly. QC girl. Alam mo, dito talaga tayo, sis. QC talaga tayo. Huwag na tayo pumunta
Binalik
sa
na
South
ako
na
dito.
yan.
Ayoko na. Ay, sa South ka pala kasi yung... Tapos parang may time pa yung isang guy na, I won't name him. Oo. Sinabihan ni Bea na, may ADHD ka ba? Kasi yung guy na yon nilalandi ako. Like, pinagsasabay niya kami dalawa.
In front of
in front
us.
of us. So parang, sino ba talaga yung gusto mo? Tapos parang,
Hindi siya makapili talaga.
Hindi talaga.
Pareho kami kasi maganda.
Yes.
So, do you believe that show me who your friends are
And I'll tell you who you are. Well, technically, yes. Kasi pag sumama ka sa mga grupong lasinggero, magiging lasinggera ka din. Pag sumama ka sa mga group na laging nag-aaral, mapapa-study ka rin.
Yeah.
So, I think, nung phase natin na yun, Bea, napunta lang siguro tayo sa wrong crowd. And
So, tayong dalawa. tayong dalawa yung parang lagi magkasama, Rizzy.
Wait lang, tayong dalawa yung nagbibiayan sa isa't isa. Isipin mo, Monday night.
Oo.
Lumalabas pa rin tayo.
Oh my God, I would
Bea.
remember that.
Parang dumating nga sa point na kailangan na natin maghiwalay kasi parang too much
Oo
BI na tayo
nga.
for each other.
Actually, totoo.
Pag ako yung gusto mag-rest, ikaw yung mag-i-invite.
Oo.
Pag ikaw yung want mag-rest, ako yung nag-i-invite.
And you know what's weird? Wala pa tayong pera, no?
Totoo.
Wala tayong
Wala.
pera lumalabas.
Oh my
Hindi naman sa...
gosh. Student pa lang kasi tayo
Hindi
before.
naman, student pa rin naman ako, pero hindi sa walang pera. Freeloader, ayaw natin maglabas ng
Yes.
pera.
Always tayo nakikitable before.
Oh my God, now guys, you will never see me na nakikitable. It's either I would go out with the table or I wouldn't go out at all.
Yes. Anyways, going back to the topic, like, ikaw ba? happy ka naman being a single mom? Mas nagkaroon ka ba ng peace of mind?
Of course, this isn't my first choice. I don't think it's anyone's first choice to be a single mom.
Mhm.
Unless siguro you're very rich to the point na you just buy a surrogate.
Yeah.
There are times when I'm happy. There are times when I force myself to be happy. But I think more than that, I'm healing. So, kasi siguro masasabi ko happy ako kapag may peace of mind na ako. Pero ngayon kasi parang gusto ko ng peace of mind. Wala pa ako sa point na na-achieve ko yung gusto ko na peace of mind. Alam mo, hindi ko kailangan ng lalaki, pero gusto ko ng may mag-aalaga at magmamahal sa akin. Kasi iba yun eh, kapag sinabi mo ng kailangan mo ng lalaki, parang nagiging dependent ka sa
yes.
lalaki. For me kasi, philosophy ko in life, philosophy ko in life, is I don't need a guy
Yes.
to make me happy because you'll never be happy. Kasi, ano yun, kapag nag-break kayo ng lalaki, hindi
Nasa
ka na masaya,
yes.
diba? I also don't depend on them financially because I believe in the saying na give the person the power to feed you, they will also starve you.
Yeah,
It's something
starve
like
you.
that. Non-verbatim na quote, but it's something like that. So, I don't rely that. And, when you're financially free kasi, you can walk away anytime because anong makakailanganin
yes.
mo? You can provide yourself the basic needs in life. So, hindi ko kailangan. So, I think hindi yung term na hindi ko kailangan ng lalaki is fine. Pero gusto ko ng lalaki.
Nagigets
Kaya
ko.
kong alagaan yung sarili ko, pero gusto ko ng lambing.
Loving.
Kaya kong mahalin yung sarili
Sarili
ko,
mo.
pero gusto kong may magiging romantic sa akin. Ganun. I can be romantic to myself, but it's just different when you receive it from someone that you also love.
Nagigets ko yung sinabi mo kanina about it. Kasi 'di ba again, kapag binigay mo kasi yung energy mo in one person, na for example, sa'yo ko in-expect lahat ng happiness ko, yung emotions ko, parang everyday, parang survival mode kanyan.
Yeah,
kasi
you're gonna depend everything on that person eh.
yeah.
Parang, ako kasi may anxious attachment ako. So, na-anxious ako kapag inaantay ko yung first chat niya, tapos wala pang chat. Doon ako na-anxious. Kailangan ko always ng reassurance, which is also nakakapagod din naman.
Yeah.
Lazy babae. So, our
Actually.
daughter should look up to us. Kaya hindi tayo pwede maging tanga.
Okay, so sa part ko naman, tama ka naman, Bea. Kailangan nga talaga na maging good example tayo sa mga anak. Which is, kaya ko nga in-end yung relationship namin is, to be a good role model sa anak ko na I won't tolerate or settle for less. Gets mo? Kasi ako growing up, siguro lahat naman tayo, na-witness natin na yung mommy natin always nagfo-forgive sa mga daddy natin.
As much as possible, gusto ko maging self-centered yung anak ko. Pero syempre, may empathy pa rin
With
sa mga taong deserve yung empathy niya. Pero gusto ko talaga maging self-centered siya. Gusto ko ako. Gusto ko alam niya talaga kung kailan siya aalis.
Yes, learn how to walk away.
Oo, kaya gusto ko talaga siya maging narcissist or self-centered. To the point na pati ako isasama niya sa pagiging pagiging ihihila niya din
Ihihila
ako
niya
pababa.
din.
Kasi ganun mga narcissist, nangihila sila pababa. So, sige, self-centered na lang siya.
Yeah. Ako naman, gusto ko para sa anak ko, ayoko siya i-train as a good girl. Kasi 'di ba tayo growing up, kahit mga bata pa lang tayo, so Disney.
Bitch na ako eh.
Yung mga princess, 'di ba? Parang gusto
Bitch
niya.
na ako ever since. Tanga lang talaga ako sa lalaki.
Wala, gusto ko lang turuan yung anak ko maging bad girl instead of a good girl. Not in a way na disrespectful.
Bad girl, like promiscuous?
No, what I'm trying to say is bad girl is parang ayoko siya maging people pleaser. Kasi, di ba?
Siguro hindi bad girl. Siguro strong girl.
Okay, strong girl. I want her
Strong
to be
women. Strong woman.
Yes, gusto ko maging strong talaga yung vibes niya, yung personality niya. Kasi ako, naging people pleaser talaga ako.
Same.
And I think dumating lang sa point na nag-set ako ng boundaries nung naging mommy na ako. Kasi
Oo, kapag mommy ka na talaga.
lumabas talaga ugali ko nung naging mommy na ako. To be honest, dati hindi ko kaya pumalag. Ngayon pumapalag na ako, Bea. Lumalaban
Actually,
na ako.
hindi nga. Lagi kang, okay Like,
Diba
ang hangin-hangin mo.
before?
Ngayon may paninindigan ka na.
Yeah. Kailangan ko kasi i-protect yung baby ko eh. So, in order to do that, kailangan ko mag-set ng boundaries.
Tapos may mga problems yung mga babae na hirap talaga silang humingi ng support ng baby daddy nila. Or if magbibigay ng support, laging may limit. Eh ako kasi when it comes to my
Yeah.
child, di ko talaga bibigyan ng limit yung anak ko eh.
Same, actually. Bibigay ko mundo sa anak ko.
Makakapatay ako para sa anak ko. Hindi ko kaya magpatawad na nagkamali sa anak ko. That's the kind of mother I am.
Mahirap
So,
yun.
I pray that the right men will find us. No? Sana the right men will find us.
Don't, i-pray natin. Sana yung next guy
Yeah, I
natin
pray.
is from God.
Mm-mm.
Kasi if galing talaga kay God yung guy na darating sa life natin, then it's not gonna be this hard. Hindi tayo mahihirapan, hindi sasakit yung ulo natin. Kasi I do believe na may mga guys pa rin out there na, matino. May mga tita ako or may mga kilala ako na even though single mom sila, like, sineryoso naman sila. Like, may ibang guys na kayang magpakatatay for...
Pero natatakot ako kasi wala lang. Babae kasi anak natin.
babae nga.
Basta ngayon, ang
Gets
priority ko is my baby. My priority is my baby. So,
Yeah, yun muna priority natin.
kasi may daming cases ng sexual assault sa
Yeah.
mga stepdaughters. Parang hindi ko kaya yun.
Yeah, hindi ko din kaya yun. And thank you talaga, Bea, kasi, tagal natin hindi nagsama. And you were there for me during my lowest times.
Yeah, because I'm a mom. So, I empathize with you a lot. And I wasn't there during your pregnancy, and you were there for me during my pregnancy. Whenever I was sad, I would always call Rizzy, and she would always remind me that being pregnant is temporary.
Mhm.
Because I really didn't have a good pregnancy experience. So, thank you for being there, Rizzy.
Yeah, and thank you also. Actually, sorry si Bea sa akin before na during her pregnancy, magko-call siya, tapos magka-cry siya, Razy, if I only knew na ganito pala kahirap yung pregnancy, dapat binigyan kita ng time, ganyan. And I told her and I assured her na it's okay kasi during those times, travel siya ng travel, busy siya sa career niya. And then ako naman, on my part, nung pregnant siya, ako naman yung travel and travel. Tapos siya naman, crazy. It's like, okay, pagpakanak mo, tayo naman lumabas.
Yeah, she was there to assure me that it's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
So, thank you. I really needed that, Rizzy.
Yeah, thank you rin, Bea. As in, super thankful ako.
Oh, love you, Rizzy.
Love you too. Ang dami na nating napag-usapan ngayon, Bea. And sana may natutunan kayo sa mga napag-usapan namin. And I pray and hope na sana mag-heal na tayo, Bea. Sana sa pagbalik natin sa podcast na to, happy na tayo. Tatawanan na lang natin yung mga topics na to. And I know life is like a roller coaster. And sana may natutunan kayo. Comment down below if you need any suggestions or recommendations na want nyo sumali sa podcast next time. Anyways, we want to thank you, Bea Boris, for being here.
Wow.
Thank you for giving us your time. And
Thank you more for having me, and I wish more power and blessings to whatever it is that you want to do.
And I hope marami kayong natutunan. Huwag puro landi. At malandi kasi kami before eh.
Hanggang ngayon, charot.
Kaya nabuntis tayo. Moving forward, healing, that's what the important thing is. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.